I didn't know I could take up such a giant, and I did, and I won.
Hey fam, Unathi Nkayi is speaking on a victory against Media24 and also explaining why she sued the outlet after they published a story about her saying she had cheated on her then husband Thomas with her personal trainer. According to Media24, that was the reason why her marriage ended. However, some people are not interested in what she's saying whatsoever as soon as she said as a black single woman, as they are saying that a lot of hands use this line as some form of manipulation. And others are saying she didn't get fired because she's a single black woman. The best place to start is where to take responsibility for your actions, and the rest has a way of unfolding. I'm happy she has found her footing. Let's not use race or relationship status to generate misconceptions. And one of the things she said was that she spent in total 730K on this lawsuit. However, she was only paid 20K. So I'm asking myself, financially, is that a win? Maybe instead of pursuing a legal battle and ending up losing this much money, she should have just made a public statement, a video even, just to clear off those rumors, especially when you know deep down that you didn't do what you're being accused of. I feel like really this legal battle cost them more than she ever anticipated. And also I feel like sometimes legal representatives do everything in their power to exhaust funds from their clients because they could have advised her otherwise. But hey, she has no regrets whatsoever, as she's saying she did this for generations to come. Otherwise, let me stop rambling and do take a look at what she said. And also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye, and thank you for watching.
I didn't know I could take up such a giant as Media24. And I did, and I won. I spent over 750,000 Rand on that lawsuit. Media24 paid me 20,000 Rand back. But it was worth every single Rand that I spent because Media24 had to print an apology for me and admit to the entire world that they lied. I did that because when people tell our stories, they tell it from their point of view. And I needed to make sure that 5 generations from now, my grandkids would not think that I was the whore that broke up my family. That's why I did it. So it was worth 730,000 Rand. As a black single woman, your reputation is everything and your dignity is everything. So being labeled as a woman who cheats on her husband with her personal trainer destroyed me. Literally destroyed me. Different clients stopped calling me, wholesome clients stopped calling me, literally, until I published my victory. Then all the calls came back. 2021, when Kaya fired me, a month later, Idols let go of me because they didn't want to deal with that either. But they were right because our contracts are renewed every year. So they just waited for my contract to end. But they didn't want to deal with that thing that Kaya had done. Immediately, I lost global accounts. I lost KFC. I lost Absa. I lost GQ. Everybody stopped calling me.